Okay, so this is where we at with it, y'all. Sand it down this half. Then we with the black gloss and the primer. Took the spring out. Put the new strut in. I took that stabilizer link brace off. Got him shiny. Did all this in the undercoat. Took the brake line off. Got it bent. I'm gonna put it back on. But we'll do that. Change that diff fluid first. I had to clean that out real good down in there. Had to clean that out real good. It was greasy. Gotta get that yoke. We got a new stabilizer link too. What we got? Got this, a sandy him down with the wire wheel. Primed, painted him gloss. Then I was gonna get some new these, but they pretty decent, so I'm gonna just re-grease them. Re-grease those. Put this back together after we do the other side. The kit off in here. I cut off the old exhaust. This is the stabilizer links. I gotta put the rear end gasket in fluid. I think this the best kind for the posi diff. Gotta get it up in that hole. So this side. There's a lot of gunk on there I gotta get off. Sand this down one more time. I hit it with the wire brush. I'm gonna hit it with the wire wheel. Paint that up. And we gotta do this side. Gotta do that yoke. I gotta put the brake lines on. Cause somebody hold the brakes to get him off. Get this. Oh, so when I got this, you see the heat shield. I'm gonna take the heat shield off. I got the exhaust out of there. I'm gonna sand that down and hit it with this. We're gonna try this out. For right now, I need to put this on that rear end. We're gonna try this out. They say that's pretty good stuff. So let's see. Cause it's got some pretty good gunky gunk on there. See how that worked. I'll be back. We get it all cleaned up. Oh yeah. Made this with some fiberglass. Hope y'all ain't gonna be mad at me. I'm gonna fiberglass this. That should be cool. Both sides. Sand it down. This part cool. That's pretty cool. That ain't no biggie. Alright, so I'm gonna get back with y'all. See where we at. I pulled them things off. Clean that up, painted gloss. Got the spring back here. About to make him look like the other side. Look real good. Bad boys in there. Just the wire wheel. I even hit it with this for real. That's an 80 grit. Alright, bust these out. There. Pop, pop. That's real good. Come back with y'all. Okay, so we're about to be changing this rear end fluid. 91 Camaro V28 10 boot. We're gonna need a 13. Small ratchet to break it off with. That's it. We go first. We gotta bust this loose. Gotta make sure that's loose. If this froze and you take your fluid out, you stuck. Took me a while. I had to heat it up with the torch, beat on it. Yeah, I got him loose. Like, got all this grime on here. We gotta clean him up. Get your seal. Get your pan ready. Might help if you What? Okay, so I'm about to pop them off. Left them up at the top so it don't just fall. And I really kicked this on. He's on there, buddy. Ooh. That bad boy is low. I don't think there was nothing in there. See? That's why it's always a good thing to just change all the fluids when we get something. I don't think that, I mean, that was it. Ain't nothing in there. Now I'm scared to open this thing. So we're gonna find some chunks in there. See, y'all was probably assuming it was been done. Somebody put this gasket on here. That's probably all they did was put the rubber gasket on there. Oh wait. That's bad. That thing was bone dry. It probably was just, and then it looked like it leaked all the way down there. That's bad. This was dry, you could tell. That color is disgusting. What color is that? Slimy and grimy is what color it is. This is, I'm hardly upset. I guess you just dry from sitting though, but I don't see a lot of wear on the gears.